cultural club is together, the possibilities are endless. If we say something is endless, we mean that it is very large, everlasting, and would last for a long time. It seems that it will never end. And similarly, today we pray that success of our cultural club be everlasting and glorious. Cultural Club of our college aims to promote exposure and to increase the awareness of students towards the fine arts of the world, from dramatics to literature, from poetry to music, dance. This is a place to come and experience it all. The club also acts as a forum to improve communication skills, expressivity, and critical thinking power of students. Various enjoyable events are also conducted under this club, which not only entertain but also enrich our understanding of various different cultures and practices and introduce us to new exotic art form around the globe. It is necessary to balance the work, play, and leisure for one's health and well-being. Having fun at times gives us energy to face challenges and also motivate us to come up with better ideas. It brings the essential components of person's life like creativity, curiosity, spontaneity, and pleasure. It is not easy to balance the work, play, and leisure, but with good relationship it becomes easy. Attending sessions under Fun Club is interesting, makes us understand our priorities, set up goals, and work for it. Now, I request Shruti to welcome our guest for today's occasion.
Good morning to all. A warm word of welcome to everyone as we are about to celebrate our inauguration function of Cultural Club. Our today's theme is Indian culture. India is the cradle of human race, the birthplace of human speech, the mother of history, the grandmother of legend, and the great grandmother of tradition. We are Indians who consider that guests are equivalent to God. Atiti Devo Bhava. So I would like to welcome our honorable guest. Firstly, I would like to welcome Dr. Parminder Singh, who is Chief Executive of GGSF, Dr. N.G. Nikam, Vice Principal and Academic Dean of our college, N.G. Nikam, our Principal, S.D. Karpande, Vice Principal and Academic Dean of our college, S.D. Mohad, HOD of Mechanical Department, V.N. Natraj, HOD of Civil Department, S.P. Sonar, HOD of Computer Department, S.G. Shukla, HOD of Computer Department, and all the teaching and non-teaching staff of Guru Gobind Singh College of Engineering and Research Center. Now I request Omkar to move further.
Our theme for today's occasion is cultural diversity. India is a country that boasts of rich culture. The culture of India refers to minor unique culture. The culture of India comprises of clothing, festivals, dance, music, arts, etc. India is certainly a symbol of unity around the world. We have recently celebrated our 75th Independence Day, Amrut Mahotsav, our independence. So let's celebrate this occasion by remembering our great nation, its diversity, its outstanding culture, and its uniqueness.
Good afternoon to all. We would like to begin all performances by an auspicious Krishna Vandana, which will be presented by Gayatri Dusani. She will be depicting the southern classical dance form Bharatnatyam. भारत के 8 शास्त्रीय नृत्य में से भरतनाट्यम का एक प्रमुख स्थान है जिसका उद्गम और प्रचार दक्षिण भारत में सर्वाधिक है. So let's see.
ತಕತರಿ ಕುಕುಂತನ ಕಿಟ ತಕಧೀಂ ತಕತರಿ ಕುಕುಂತನ ಕಿಟ ತಕಧೀಂ ತಕತರಿ कुकुन्तन किटतकधी स्वागतं कृष्णा शरणागतं कृष्णा स्वागतं कृष्णा शरणागतं कृष्णा मधुरापुरि सदना मृदुवदना मधुसूदना इह स्वागतं कृष्णा शरणागतं कृष्णा भोगदाप्तसुलभा सुपुष्पगन्धकलभा भोगदाप्तसुलभा सुपुष्पगन्धकलभा कस्तूरितिलकमहिमा मम कान्तनन्द गोपगन्ध स्वागतं कृष्णा
What an amazing performance, Gayatri. You truly made our hearts smile. Now, moving further.
After this auspicious Vandana, I would like Dr. Parminder Singh, the CEO of our institute, to say some few words about the cultural club. Sir, please.
Gaikwad sir,
Yes, sir.
I think sir has not joined.
Sir is joined, sir.
There, sir is there. Sir is
Yes.
there. हेलो माइक चालू नहीं है क्या? Gaikwad sir,
Yes, sir.
there is some technical difficulty for sir to address. So mic is not working. Let us continue with.
Yes, sir.
Later on he may address.
Okay.
Okay. So now I would like to call upon our principal, sir, to say few words about what he thinks about the cultural club. Sir, please.
Good morning. Good morning,
Good morning,
everybody.
sir.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning,
Good
sir.
morning, sir.
We are really very happy that after long gap, comparers from our institute like Shreyas or Shruti conducting a cultural event. It is giving a feeling as if we are sitting in the auditorium hall and you people are there on the stage and many performances are awaited. After a long gap, you have given this enjoyment to us. Many appreciation to the all team leaders or team members of the cultural club of our institute. And this is really good initiative that you people have taken. We people have to come out and adopt the new normal. Almost more than 1.5 years, we are not in contact with each other. I think last cultural program was in the month of January 2019. No cultural event, no freshers party, no farewell party, nothing. So hope This is good hope that you are coming back on the right track and taking initiative for the cultural activities. I wish all the best to you for this program, and really, it's going to be enjoyable to us. Thank you very much.
Thanks a lot, sir, for your wise words. Now, I would like to call upon our vice principal for saying to say some few words about what he thinks about the cultural club. Sir, please.
Thank you. Thank you very much. First and foremost, respected principal sir, CEO sir, Gaikwad sir, all head of department, Mode sir, Natras sir, Sonar ma'am, and my dear members of the cultural club. Actually, am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. So cultural club is one of the activity. Initially, in cultural club, we're going to be organized various activity, but under some another forum. From this year, university has given the guidelines to us to form a cultural club. And under the cultural club, we're going to be organize various functions. Maybe your social gathering, maybe your student activities, or any other things. So, what is the intention behind that one? The intention is to make the versatile personality among the students, so that obviously in the academic you are doing your well. In academic, you are always continuously busy. But from the academic, there are a lot many aspects are there where you are going to be exposing yourself, where you are going to showing your talent itself. That's why we'll go with the cultural club. Culture is one of the activity. It is related with the sports also. So sports and culture in hand in hand. It's the two sides of the coin. And with these two sides, okay, you have to develop yourself. So with this cultural program or cultural club, I humbly request to all the other members also or other students also, those who are not joined today. So it's my request to you all members, kindly join 2 or 3 members from our institute to this club, so that this club should be a wide perspective. And when there is a wide perspective, there is a lot many ideas from the students. And when you are going to lot many ideas, then it is a modus of operandi should be very clear, and that time we're going to organize the various functions also under this club. So this club, I hope that you are going to continue the various activities, and throughout the year you must be engaged with such a cultural club, and you are giving one good platform to all the students to show their talents, not only in academic but from the other sides of the your life also. And this will definitely help us to build a personality. This will definitely help to us to make the capacity building of the students. And with this one, maybe you are growing yourself, and this is the one of the activity for the stress management also. So you are going to be releasing your stress while you are working in such a club, and it is by the interest. Okay, when you are going to be doing all these things with your own interest, by the heart, by your own heart, that time definitely you are enjoying these particular activities. Through this culture, we're going to organize various activities. Gaigoda sir are going to be dealing in that one, and definitely you are in a very good hands. And obviously, sir will going to give the proper directions for your forthcoming activities. So wish you all the best, and thank you very much for giving me a chance to share my words with you. Thank you.
Sir, Gaikwad sir, I think Executive Director sir can address.
Yes, sir.
Please. सर आप म्यूट है सर आप म्यूट है सर आपका Gaikwad sir, can we unmute sir from our end?
No, sir.
सर केबिन मध्येच आतमध्ये आणि सर ऍड्रेस करणार आहेत ते.
Okay, sir, I'll just go to the sir's cabin.
सर बोलिए।
कौन सा अनम्यूट किया?
यहाँ पे था सर,
नीचे हेलो, yeah, good morning to everyone.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
It was very nice to see all of you performing in the. In fact, it's a video, but it was nice to see you all. I was just recollecting the time when we had a gala evening in our school ground when we had an annual gathering. And of course, it's almost 1.5 years. We do miss you all in the school, in the college, and look forward once this pandemic is being controlled and you are back in the campus. India is a country which is diversified by various cultural, and we are bound by these cultural programs. And this is what I would like to say, that our college is like a cosmopolitan. We have different students from different cultures coming in one campus and studying together. And this sharing of the culture, this culture brings us together, and it shows oneness among all of us. And I'm sure that you all might be also eager to come back to the college, and we also are eager to see you in the college. So thank you very much. Enjoy your day.
Thank you, sir. We are truly inspired by your word of advice. I thank all the members and the faculty members to join the program, and CEO sir, Nikam sir, and Karpande sir to give their wise word. We are surely triggered by your words, and we will do our best. So, taking the program further, I would like Omkar to proceed further.
Further. Yatra naryatsu pujjante ramante tatra devata, which means where women are worshipped, God rejoices there. And Indian woman is all about beautiful eyes, grace, politeness, and kindness. But when it's come to disrespecting her, she becomes the goddess of destruction. The goddess of destruction is none other than goddess Mahakali. So in order to show you all this beautiful yet scary side of a woman, I would like to call Miss Sanyukta Khirnar.
Yeah.
Aigiri Nandini Nandita Medini Vishwa Vinodini Nandanute Girivara Vindya Shirodini Vasini Vishnu Vilasini Jishnunute Bhagavati Heshati Kanda Kutumbini Bhuri Kutumbini Bhuri Sute Jaya Jaya He Mahishasura Mardini Ramya Kavatini Shailasute.
In the fly, we keep it Indian. Rapping all the billions, better from Melbourne to Michigan. We used to living with villains and from killers, the sinners. We never oblivious about God, the illest. Far from errors, we high five fellas, divine realists. On microphones, we define sickest. Apart from my name, this one thing. These women like saying
Om Namah Shivaya.
Dropping the purest of flows. You like that, baby? It's the manjas on the show. We like that. The word's generic, verbs are methodic. Belief was genetic. The fate try and measure it like this.
Abhijnanamantasthimirabhiradvipanagiri Jananam Chaitanyastabhakam Karandashtrudijari.
Translation.
Oh gracious one, you're the sun that dispels the darkness of the unlettered. You're the stream of consciousness for the unthinking fool. Darilanam Chintamani Gurarika Janma Jaladam Nimagnalam Dhamsa Muraripu Parahasya Bhavati.
Aigiri Nandini Nandita Medini Vishwa Vinodini Nandanute Girivara Vindya Shiro
Wow, what a great performance. So let's go forward. As we all know, the Mughals ruled India for several years. They brought or introduced many art forms. They brought Mujras, a dance performance performed by women in the Mehfils. It combines the elements of the native classical dance Kathak and native classical music, including thumris and ghazals. So here we have our next dance performance by Nidhi Kamath.
मालती गुंधार जैसे प्यार खुगवारे मुकदामिनी सिदम कत चाल मतवारी चाल मतवारी चाल मतवारी
ढाई शाम रोक लई रोक लई रोक लई ढाई शाम रोक लई और चक मुख चूम लई मुख चूम लई मुख चूम लई सर से मोरी चुनरी गई 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 सर से मोरी चुनरी गई सरक 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 छेड़ छेड़ मोरी गरवाला गाए छेड़ छेड़ मोरी गरवाला गाए
It was a really great performance, Nidhi. Coming to our next performance, we all are Indians and we are known for our unity in diversity. So I would like to call upon Shruti Bhavsar to present our diverse folk dances which unites us with love and enthusiasm.
भारत भारत देश की हर गली में नजर आती है संस्कृति, रीति रिवाज और परंपराएं। आओ इन सब का रूप हम सारी दुनिया को दिखाएं। सबसे पहले पूरब की कहानी, जहाँ रंग बिरंगे लोग हैं और सबकी अलग मिठास है।
आई हो कहाँ से गोरी आंखों में प्यार लेके दिल्ली शहर का सारा मीना बाजार लेके झुमका बरली वाला कानों में ऐसा डाला झुमके ने ले ली मेरी जान हाय रे मैं तेरी कुर्बान।
दक्षिण के ज्ञान का अलग ही रुबाब है। वेद पुराण में अव्वल ये सब लाजवाब है।
मेरे गीतों के साए में तेरी राहतों की खुशबू है तेरे बगैर क्या जीना मेरे रोम रोम में तू है मेरी चूड़ियों की खन खन से तेरी सदाएं आती है ये दूरियां हमेशा ही नजदीक हम बुलाती है
उत्तर में देखो सब जिंदा दिली में मलंग है। लहराती हैं फसलें और मौजों मस्ती का रंग है।
झटक झटक जुल्फों की गुजरिया 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 झटक झटक जुल्फों की गुजरिया मारे रे फटकारे झट झटक मटक नैनों से बिजुरिया मारे रे छटकारे छटकारे छटकारे
घन 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 घोर घटा मेरा जाओ
पश्चिम में रहता है व्यापार का बोल। मेहनत की चाबी है इनके पास, जिससे खोला है किस्मत का ताला।
खोल मेरे दिल को और ले ले तलाशी, कोई भी मिलेगा ना तेरे सिवा, तेरे सिवा। तेरी आंखों में दिखता जो प्यार मुझे, मेरी आंखों में भी तुझे दिखता है क्या? तेरी आंखों में दिखता जो प्यार मुझे, मेरी आंखों में भी तुझे दिखता है क्या?
I hope you all enjoyed my performance, right? So now let's move further. राम राम सा पधार हमारे देश. Exactly, Rajasthan. Do you know what Rajasthan is famous for? Rajasthan is famous for its traditional folk dance, which is Ghumar. And this is specially done to worship goddess Saraswati. In order to show us this beauty of Rajasthan, I would like to call here our special and most beautiful Miss Krunika.
Wow, that was amazing, Krunika. Moving further with our next performance. Odissi, also referred to as Odissi, is an oldest Indian dance performed in the Hindu temples of Odisha. So let's begin with our next performance performed by Miss Sanika Saurkar.
graceful performance, Sanika. I couldn't take off my eyes from you. Just keep it up, dude. Okay, so now let's move to next performance. Do you know what? A dancer is incomplete without words and music. And what completes this music? The musical instrument. Tabla is a very important instrument which makes a music complete. So in order to make our everyone's feet dance, I would like to call Mr. Omkar who is going to play tabla.
हवाएं कह रही अपनों की दास्तां ऐसे ना मिला हमको ये गुलसितां हवाएं कह रही अपनों की दास्तां ऐसे ना मिला हमको ये गुलसितां सरहदों पे कितने ही शहीदों के लहू बहे सरहदों पे कितने ही शहीदों के लहू बहे उनकी कुर्बानियाँ याद हमें भी रहे उनकी कुर्बानियाँ याद हमें भी रहे उनके जैसे उड़ने का अंदाज है जरा आजाद मैं हूँ और वतन आजाद है मेरा आजाद मैं हूँ और वतन आजाद है मेरा वंदे मातरम वंदे मातरम वंदे मातरम वंदे मातरम
Wow! I'm sure all are amazed by your performance, Omkar. Moving forward, our next performer is Siddhi Shinde, who is dedicating a heartwarming song to all our Indian heroes who sacrificed their life for our well-being. So let's begin.
Anjana
patriotic performance. So the next we have a patriotic song, E Watan, which will showcase the love and respect towards our motherland. It will be sung by Miss Sakshi Tajni. So let's begin.
As technology is overpowering this world, we are forgetting our origin and our culture. So, in order to make you all aware of Indian culture and its importance, we, the students of Guru Gobind Singh, are presenting in front of you a short skit on what? Let's see.
निधी तिच्या रूममध्ये बसून फोनवर तिच्या मैत्रिणीशी चॅटिंग करीत होती. त्याच वेळी तिचं डोकं दुखायला लागतं.
खूप डोकं दुखतंय यार.
अगं निधी, जेवण करायला ये. अगं ऐकू तरी आलं काय काय म्हणते मी? बडा काय झालं? मी केव्हाची आवाज देते?
डोकं दुखतंय ग माझं, नाही जेवायचं. जा ना तू.
अगं डोकं दुखतंय काय? थांब मी दाबून देते.
ए आई प्लीज, आधीच माझं डोकं दुखतंय, त्यात तू कटकट नको करू. आय वॉन्ट माय स्पेस.
अगं हो ठीक आहे, चिडायला काय झालं एवढं? जरा वेळ फोन बाजूला ठेव आणि झोप, बरं वाटेल.
निधी तिच्या रूममध्ये तशीच बसून विचार करू लागली. तिचे मागचे काही दिवस खूप तणावात आणि चिडचिडपणात जात होते. निधीचे आई वडील हॉलमध्ये बसलेले असताना त्यांची चर्चा चालू होती.
2 दिवसावर गणपती बाप्पा आला, किती तयारी करायची आहे.
हो ना, ठीक आहे, तू काळजी नको करू. यावेळेस पण गणपती दणक्यात साजरा.
ते तर सगळं खरं आहे, पण
काय
काय हो, तुम्हाला काय वाटतं? निधी सध्या खूप चिडचिड करते, खात नाही, बोलत नाही, नुसतं तिला तिचा फोन आणि ती बस. आता खूप काळजी वाटून राहिलेली आहे तिची.
अगं काही नाही ग, हल्लीची पोरं अशीच असतात, एकटं राहायला आवडत राहील ना.
निधी, अगं काय झालं? अहो तिला बघा नाही.
निधी, चल डॉक्टरकडे जाऊ.
निधीचे आई वडील निधीला हॉस्पिटलमध्ये घेऊन जाता.
प्लीज हॅव अ सीट.
डॉक्टर, निधीला काय झालं? ती ठीक तर आहे ना? अशी अचानक तिला चक्कर का बरं आली असेल? सगळं ठीक होणार ना?
डॉक्टर, काही काळजी करण्यासारखं कारण नाही आहे ना?
हे बघा, तसं तर काही काळजी घेण्याचं कारण आहे नाही, पण वेळ तर कंडिशन हाताबाहेर जाऊ शकते. देन इट विल बी रिअली क्रिटिकल.
म्हणजे नक्की तिला काही झालं नाही आहे ना?
शी इज इन डिप्रेशन. कोणाशी काही बोलणे नाही. अँगर, सॅडनेस, फ्रस्ट्रेशन, कॉन्शियसनेस, दिस आर द साइन ऑफ डिप्रेशन. Until and unless she don't express herself, nothing can happen.
डॉक्टर, पण ती बरी तर होणार ना?
हे बघा, हा काही फिजिकल आजार नाहीये. इट्स अ मेंटल डिसीज. इट्स मोस्टली डिपेंड्स अपॉन पेशंट अँड एन एन्व्हायरमेंट. जे जितक्या वेळ फ्रेंड्स, फॅमिली, नेचरसोबत घालवतील, आपले फिलिंग शेअर करतील, ते तितक्या लवकर बरे होऊ शकतात. आनंद चेहऱ्यावर नाही तर मनात असावा. मी काही मेडिसिन लिहून देते, ते तुम्ही फॉलो करा. वी विल सी इट.
निधीचे मित्र मैत्रिणी निधीला भेटायला तिच्या घरी येतात.
हाय निधी, कशी?
हे निधी. हाय निधी.
हे ड्यू, व्हॉट्स अप?
See, I have something interesting to give you all.
Hey Sia, ते पटकन.
See, I brought sweets for you.
Wow, looking delicious.
कांट वेट. चल दे लवकर आम्हाला पण.
नाही, पहिले निधी.
मला नको. यू गाईज कॅरी ऑन अँड प्लीज लिव्ह मी अलोन.
अरे यार, निधी बट. आणि निधी रूममधून बाहेर निघून जाते. निधीचे आई वडील बाजूला उभे राहून निधीला बघत असतात. निधीचे वडील गणपती बाप्पाची मूर्ती आणायला चालले असताना
आम्ही निघतो. तू पूजेची तयारी चालू कर.
अहो, निधीला पण घेऊन जा तुमच्या बरोबर. हे देवा, तुझ्याकडे बस इतकंच मागणं आहे. माझी निधी लवकरात लवकर बरी हो, बाकी काही नको. साक्षी, जा निधीला बोलावून आण.
दी चल आपल्याला बाप्पाला आणायला जायचंय.
नाही, माझी इच्छा नाहीये.
दी चल ना.
नाही बोलली ना एकदा.
दी डॉक्टर बोलले की तू आजारी आहेस आणि हा आजार शारीरिक नसून मानसिक आहे, म्हणजे तुझ्या मनाचा आहे. आणि हे सगळं त्या टेक्नॉलॉजीच्या अतिवापरामुळे तू स्वतःची अशी अवस्था करून घेतलेली आहेस. तुझे फ्रेंड्स पण घरी आले होते अगं, तेव्हा ते तुला किती खुश करण्याचा प्रयत्न करत होते. आणि आई तर दिवसभर टेन्शन मध्ये असते अगं, की तू लवकर बरी व्हायला पाहिजे म्हणून. बाबाने तुझी काळजी वाटते. पूर्ण फॅमिली प्रे करते की तू लवकर बरी व्हावी. पण दी हे तोपर्यंत शक्य नाही जोपर्यंत तू स्वतः ट्राय नाही करत. आणि दरवर्षी आपण बाप्पाला किती दणक्यात गणेशोत्सव साजरा करायचो आणि बाप्पाच्या वेलकमची सगळी तयारी तू करायची, डेकोरेशन सगळं तू करायची. आणि यावर्षी विसरलीस तू आपल्या बाप्पाला.
साक्षी,
बस दी रडू नको. बाप्पा आपली वाट बघतोय, तो सगळं ठीक करेल.
बाप्पा, चुकले मी. या टेक्नॉलॉजीच्या अतिवापरामध्ये मी स्वतःलाच विसरून गेले आणि तुलाही विसरणार होते. खरा आनंद तर आपल्या माणसात आहे. मी खरंच खूप मोठी चुकी केली. आय एम सो सॉरी. मी तुम्हा सगळ्यांची माफी मागते. खरं तर हा आजार माझा आणि माझ्या मनाचा होता, पण त्रास तुम्हा सगळ्यांना झाला. टेक्नॉलॉजीचा इतका वापर करायला लागले होते की आपल्या माणसांनाच विसरले आणि देवालाही विसरणार होते. मी विसरून गेले होते की खरा आनंद सगळ्यांशी बोलल्याने, व्यक्त झाल्याने भेटतो. आपण एकमेकांशी बोललो, मन मोकळं केलं तर आपण कधीही एकटं पडू शकत नाही. आणि आपली भारतीय संस्कृती आहेच त्याच्यासाठी. गणपती बोला किंवा नवरात्री किंवा मग दिवाळी, हे सण फक्त सण नाही, तर आपण सगळ्यांनी एकत्र यावं, एकमेकांशी संवाद साधावा, व्यक्त व्हावं म्हणून असतात. कारण जेव्हा आपण एखाद्या व्यक्तीशी संवाद साधतो, मन मोकळं करतो, तेव्हा तो आनंद वेगळाच असतो. मी हे सगळंच विसरले होते, पण तुमच्या सगळ्यांमुळे आणि आपल्या बाप्पामुळे मी पुन्हा एकदा नव्याने स्वतःला ओळखलं. माझ्यामुळे तुम्हाला खूप त्रास झालाय. आय एम रिअली सॉरी. पण आता मला माझी चूक कळलीये. पुन्हा असं नाही होणार.
काय ग काढते, लवकरच अक्कल आली तुला.
चला, अंत भला तो सब भला. बोला गणपती बाप्पा मोरया, मंगल मूर्ती मोरया.
Wonderful. How well everyone performed. I hope all of you enjoyed it. I would request to Gaikwad sir to say something about Cultural Club and this program.
Okay, this was very good planned and executed by all the student of Cultural Club. Mainly, few students have taken this opportunity to express their talent, but some students still have joined newly, they can use this platform and show their talent in the next performance. I congratulate all the team members who were directly, indirectly involved in planning and execution of this activity. This totally activity is planned and executed by the students itself. No teacher was involved in it, and it was a really good start, we can say, for the cultural club. And we expect the same talent and same programs in the future also. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. I'm Pranali Khose from second year computer department. Honorable guests, respected sir, vice principal sir, all teachers and my dear friend. I deem it a great honor and privilege to propose vote of thanks on this memorable occasion. John Kennedy rightly said, as we express our gratitude, we must never forget that highest appreciation is not to utter words, but to live by them. Today we have witnessed a wonderful inauguration ceremony in this cultural club. A sincere thanks goes to our principal sir for gracing this occasion with their presence and giving a valuable insight on this theme. A heartfelt thanks goes to Vice Principal Sir and heads of various departments for their presence and contribution. Also thanks to all dear participants for their amazing performances. Host Omkar, Makarand and Pranjal, anchors Shreyas, Shruti, Amey, Tejal and Pranali, performance Gayatri, Siddhi, Sakshi, Sanika, Kronika, Shruti, Nidhi, Sanyukta and Omkar. Our warm thank goes to management members and faculties from various departments present here for this occasion. Our special thanks goes to Vishwas Gaikwad sir for their contribution, guidance and encouragement. Once again, thanks to all of you for your guidance, appreciation and blessings for bright future of our cultural club. And last but not the least, thanks to everyone for their direct and indirect support to make this morning delightful. Thank you so much.